Blacked Out 4x4, welcome back to another one. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna do a facelift version 2, or should we say 2.0? What we're gonna be doing is we are gonna be getting rid of this air dam right over here, some kind of lip for your chin. But we're gonna get rid of this. The main purpose for this is for aerodynamics, for fuel efficiency. It's supposed to help with fuel efficiency, but I did a little bit of photoshopping and I just wanted to see how it would look without it. There are a lot of people that do remove this. There are a lot of videos out there on how to remove it. So today I figured we'll do a 2-in-1 double whammo. We're gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna show you how to remove this. Really quick and easy steps for that. And then, if time permits and if everything goes well, we're gonna relocate this license plate to this little bumper piece right over here. We're gonna push it off to the side to give it more of a sportier look. And I've seen some F-150, what do we call ourselves? Truckers? Pickup truckers? I've seen some of the owners doing that and pushing it off to the side, and I think it looks quite nice. Without further ado, let's get this one going. Okay, so I'm using a 10mm socket bit over here. And I believe there's about 8 of these that have to be loosened up. So I'll confirm once we've taken all of them out to exactly how many there are. But yeah, give and take around that many. So I'm gonna start at it. Okay, so there's a total of 10 of these. So once you get all 10 removed, there are 2 clips that are holding this in place. I'm gonna go under the truck and get this off, and then I'll show you what that clip looks like and how to actually take it off. I am so excited. We're almost there, just one more clip. It's pretty easy. I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. Getting my liquids balanced in my head again, all the blood that was rushing towards my head. Anyways, there's 2 clips. You guys take a look at this. You have to just push this little clip here. And that releases one side, but then with the weight of the other side, it kind of comes down, and had a bit of an issue just making sure we teeter-tottered this a little bit to get this off. But now it's off, and that's it. So, wow. Guys, look at the clearance. Look at the stance. And honestly speaking, if it went a little smoother, honestly, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, that's all it really takes. So next step is we're gonna relocate this to this side over here, or maybe this side over here. We're gonna decide, and then we're gonna stick it on, and then we'll take a final look and see how the truck looks with version 2.0. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're on day 2. Just realized we needed some more tools, because what we're gonna do next is we're gonna move this license plate over to this side over here. Now, you wanna try to avoid putting it on this side, because right behind this cover, I guess you wanna call it cover, you could call it cover, there is the adaptive cruise control box. So, you know, yeah, you don't wanna block out this place, or you don't wanna damage anything that's under this cover here. So we're gonna work on this side over here. These are covers. I just want to mention that to you. You can take these out with a screwdriver or like a knife, you know, just to give it a soft ply, and it does pop out. So if you wanted to work on this while it was off, you can do that. But for this case, in the interest of time, and it's just a quick job that we're doing, we're going to just drill 2 holes into this plastic. It's actually plastic. And reposition this, and then this is actually sitting on clips. So I'm going to just quickly unclip that, and we should be good to go. I want you to see those 2 clips there. We can just apply those with our fingers. Okay, just like that. There are clips on the inner sides. All right, so here's something that you can do that we're not going to do today, but if you did have a saw, you could cut these off. And if you cut these clips off, this could be a frame that you can use to mount onto your bumper then, which will hold your plates even more securely in place. But today we're not going to do that. So we're just going to mount this plate right on to the bumper. Just love how it's off to the side there. I hope you guys enjoyed that little project. It looks good, it looks aggressive. I love it. So I'm gonna end over there. If you guys enjoyed what you saw today, do give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna remind you that there's a subscribe button that's gonna appear at the bottom of the screen. Please smash the real one. Tap it, click on it, whatever you can to show your support. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.